Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how you can add songs to Instagram posts. First, head on Instagram. Click the plus icon in the center to upload. Select the image you want to upload. And click Next. From this section, you will see Add Music. You can tap this and choose your music. Then click Done. This is one of the other ways to add songs in your post. Then click Share. From this post, click on the three dots on the top right corner. As you can see, there's no Add Songs option. You can go back and click the Share icon. Then Add to Story. From this, you can just add your desired music. After that, click Story. Finally, you already added a song to your Facebook post and your Facebook post story. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye!